This is about the odd and even array position. So whenever an input sequence is given, how to find the odd and even positions. So here this is the data is given in an array sequence, and in the array sequence we have to find the numbers which are present in the odd position, or the elements which are present in the odd position and the even position. So here, as usual, the package is developed, and then a new class is created. Again, a variable called A with an array is initiated, and it is having only integer, and the values or the elements are, for example, I have given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for printing the odd position numbers, that is like the first position 1, 3, 5, and then 7. So just like that, in that particular position, what is the number present? So in the first position, the number is 1, and third position, the number is 3, and the fifth position, the number is 5. And there is no seventh position. So 1, 3, 5 must be displayed for the odd positions. And similarly, for even positions, the second place, the third, the fourth place, the sixth place, the eighth place has to be displayed. So in the second place, number 2 is there, and in the fourth place, number 4 is there, and in the sixth place, number 6 is there. And there is no eighth place. So 2, 4, and 6 must be displayed for the even positions. So now, for displaying the odd positions, as we have to display a sequence of numbers, whenever we have to go for a sequence, we have to use a for loop. So when I'm using the for loop, I'm initiating the values as from the zeroth position. So zeroth position is here. That is when we calculate the index value of the array, the zeroth position is here. But in general, when we start from the first position, it is 1 here. But for array, it is zeroth position. So when we start from the zeroth position, it is up to the length of the value, that is up to 6 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 values are there. So we have to represent up to 6. It has to initiate from the zeroth value to the fifth value. It has to initiate. So now it is I is equal to I plus 2. So for each and every value, first it starts from the zeroth position, and plus 2 is when it goes for plus 1, the next value will be displayed. That is, after 1, the 2 value will be displayed if it is I plus 1. And if it is I plus 2, the third value will be displayed. So I am giving 0 plus 2. I is equal to 0, and plus 2 value is 3. So whenever I am giving that position 0 plus 2, the second from this position, from the first position, the first I plus 1 is 2, and I plus 2 is 3. Okay. So after 1, the third place, the number 3 will be displayed as because of I plus 2. That is, the 2 positions are shifted. So again, when the number 3 is displayed, from this 2 places has to be shifted. Because if it is I plus 1, after 3, the 4 will be displayed. But we have given I plus 2. Therefore, 3 plus 5 will be displayed. So that is the fifth position will be displayed as because 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So that has been two display movements. So and now when we print that particular value, so 1, 3, 5 has to be displayed. And when we need to generate the even position numbers, that is 2, that is second place, fourth place, and the sixth place, we have to move only one shift. But when we move one shift, all the sequence numbers will be generated, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the numbers will be generated. So when we are giving I is equal to I plus 1. So what we have to do is we have to initiate from I is equal to 1, because the first position is already occupied and it can be set as a odd number value. So now we can start from here 1. So when you start from this first value, it is 2. I is equal to 2. Again, when we start with the second value, so 2 and 3 is one position, that is I plus 1. And from 3 to 4, it is I plus 2. So we can start from the second value, which is the array value of 1. So we can say it as A of 0 and A of 1. Here, the second position, the fourth position, and the sixth position will be displayed. So these are the even positions. So when I display this run, let us check whether the odd positions are 1, 3, and 5, and the even positions are 2, 4, and 6. We have got the output for the odd position in the array sequence of elements and the even position in the array sequence of elements. Thank you.